Guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to submit the fruit to the blacksmith. And let's get straight into the video. So one thing that you guys need to do is make sure you actually have a fruit equipped in your hand, like I have, like the shovel. If you just have it in your inventory but you don't have it clicked, it won't work. Now anyways, if you do have it equipped and it's not letting you submit it for some reason, but it doesn't give you like an error here, that means you're just not pressing it fully right. So for example, if you're on PC, what you can do is you can go ahead and hold the fruit and then make sure you hover over the E and then you click it. Make sure, if E for some reason isn't working, just make sure you click it. Now for mobile, what you guys can do is, I believe for mobile there's like you have to like hold it for like 3 seconds or something. So make sure you hold it for the full 3 seconds and not just, just tap it. Because I'm pretty sure for mobile, like there's like a circle that finishes, and once that circle finishes around the submit fruit button, that's when you know it has like actually submitted. So hold it for like a few seconds and don't like change your like character. Just try to stay still and then hold submit fruit. So once you do all of these things, you guys should be good to go. One thing you guys can do is you can go around to the other oh yes. So one thing you guys can make sure is that, as you can see, this right here is to submit fruit, this is for submit egg, and this is for submitting gear. So you can't be here and try to submit an egg, and just as you can't be here and try to submit fruit. They have to be at their proper thing. So just keep that in mind, and yeah, that should basically be it. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.